Mold and mildew on car seats are common problems, especially in humid or rainy climates. Mold can damage the fabric and make your car look dirty and worn out. There are simple and effective steps to remove surface mold and mildew safely and quickly. Glass cleaner spray helps remove mold from car seats by breaking down grime and disinfecting the surface quickly. First, use a little portable carpet cleaner, which effectively removes mold and dirt from car seats with its powerful suction and targeted cleaning. Its compact size makes it easy to reach tight spaces, ensuring a thorough and convenient mold removal process. Then, gently wipe the moldy seat using a clean microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue effectively. Next, apply bleach to a paper towel and carefully wipe the moldy areas on the seat. Then, spray any suitable cleaner generously onto the moldy areas of the car seat. Leave the cleaner on the moldy seat for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to work effectively. Wipe the sprayed area thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth to remove the cleaner and loosened mold. You can see the mold is being removed, and the car seat looks clean. Next, take a lemon cut in half and gently scrub the moldy areas of the car seat with the cut side. The natural acidity of the lemon helps break down mold and removes any lingering odors. Then, wipe the lemon residue and mold off with a microfiber cloth. You can see the mold is removed, and the car seat looks neat. A vacuum helps remove mold from car seats by extracting loose spores and debris, preventing further spread. To clean mold from a car seat, first use a vacuum to remove loose mold spores and dirt. This helps prepare the seat for deeper cleaning and prevents mold from spreading. Next, spray antibacterial spray directly onto the moldy areas of the car seat. This helps to kill the mold and prevent it from coming back. Then, use an electronic cleaning pad to scrub the mold off the car seat gently. This helps remove stubborn mold spots and deepens the cleaning for better results. Next, use an extraction machine to remove excess water and mold from the car seat. This helps dry the seat faster and prevents mold from growing again. Then, gently wipe the car seat with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any remaining moisture, mold residue, and cleaning solution. Your car seat looks clean and fresh after removing the mold completely and thoroughly. Using a specialized carpet, an upholstery cleaner spray helps effectively break down and remove surface mold and mildew from car seats. It also protects the fabric while restoring the seat's appearance and freshness. Then, scrub the moldy area gently with a brush to loosen and remove the mold and mildew from the fabric. Next, wipe the seat thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any remaining mold residue and cleaning solution. Your car seat looks clean and free of mold. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can remove surface mold and mildew from car seats.